Tossing ingredients. A simple kitchen technique explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase you might encounter in cooking shows or recipes: toss the ingredients. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or looking to polish your English language skills, this video will break down what it means to toss ingredients and why it's a technique beloved by cooks around the world. Let's get started. When we say, toss the ingredients, we're referring to a method of mixing them together gently. This is often done in a salad, a pasta dish, or any recipe where you need to combine ingredients without squashing them. Tossing helps in evenly distributing dressings, spices, or other seasonings across all the ingredients, ensuring each bite is flavorful. To toss ingredients, cooks usually use a large bowl and move the ingredients in a light, lifting motion, often with the help of salad tongs or just a pair of clean hands. This action allows the ingredients to jump and mix without crushing delicate items like salad leaves or pasta. You might wonder why a recipe specifies to toss the ingredients rather than just stir them. The key difference lies in the gentleness of the action. Stirring is a more forceful action, usually in a single direction, which can be great for combining heavy or dense ingredients but might damage softer, more delicate components. Tossing, on the other hand, is lighter and more airy, making it perfect for dishes where you want to maintain the integrity and appearance of the ingredients. This method ensures everything is mixed well without turning your dish into a mushy blend. Use the right size bowl. A large, wide bowl gives your ingredients plenty of room to move and get evenly coated. Be gentle. It's all about light, quick motions. Imagine you're helping the ingredients dance together in the bowl. Practice makes perfect. The more you toss, the better you'll get at it. Start with less delicate ingredients to gain confidence. Tossing ingredients is a simple yet effective technique that can elevate your cooking and help you create dishes where every bite is as good as the last. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to toss in the kitchen and that you'll feel more confident using this method in your next culinary adventure. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!